level 3 yet, so I'm just gonna mark them when I can, but it ain't gonna show up on y'all's. I got you. I got you. And then we'll just patrol the battery one, right? All right, cool. I tell you. Damn. Okay, good. Yeah, they had a couple of high levels in there, and I think 3 of them were in comms, so you know how that goes. All right, guys, I'm paddling back. I'll lock these 2 gates, and then we'll watch the back gate. Front door is locked, by the way. And I got safety pins or security pins, so that's nice. Alright, I'm locked. Yeah, no worries. Hell yeah. I'm locking the front, so the front's gonna be triple locked. Alright, I'm gonna get some more blood and feed Grandpa. Oh, no worries. Just let me know whenever you want to play. Sorry guys, I'm talking to my little Twitch stream thing.
Fresh as it gets.
No worries, no worries. Alright, let's see if I can find these. They're coming up the, alright. Oh, nice. Hey, I'll take it. Uh-oh, is somebody in the main house? Is that one of y'all? No, it was 2 people. It was both of y'all. All right, listen, those front doors are like super locked, so I'm gonna just check in the back real quick. I got my double locks on them. Shoot, I don't know. Is it? It's inside. It's in the house. It's in the house. It's still locked. I thought I just heard somebody. Alright, I'm just gonna do circles around here. This one's locked. Good, good. Both the front are locked. Both the front are locked still. Hey, knock out this thing right here if you can. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna feed Grandpa a little bit.
Grandpa, here you go.
Go into the back, check that out. Alright, it's looking like these are still locked. Fuse box is still closed. Good job. Cool. Where the hell are they? Oh, somebody latched this door. Yeah, I'm wondering why they latched the door. I'm right here by the fuse box. There's nothing going on in here. I just heard somebody. Oh, no shit. Nice. I see her. I see him. Is she in the house or is she outside? Oh, she's down the well. Okay. Alright. I'm checking this back gate right now. Oh, shit. This back gate's not locked. They might be in the back at the battery. I'm going. Fast as my old ass legs can take me. Alright, battery's still good. Battery's still good. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out back here. Y'all just keep an eye on my locks. I don't hear anybody. I might move one of my locks to that. Oh, hold on. I think I just heard somebody. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay back here until. Where did they go? That's a good question. Damn. They're so sneaky. Where are these dirty birdies? I just saw one. He's back here. It's Connie. She's back here. She's going down the well. She's in the well. I'm gonna try to mark her. If I have my power, I do have my power. I'll try to mark her. She's gonna move eventually. Connie is back here. Was back here. She's in the well now. All right. Oh. Okay, hiker. I didn't know you trapped the battery. Good job. Doesn't one of us have... Oh, man. I took well off. Damn it. This is my first game tonight. I haven't had well on. Shit. Alright. Since I think I got the one that was back here, I'm coming back to the front. Is that Connie you got downstairs? Leland and Connie are downstairs. Fuse is still good. Nice, I see. Listen, I've got a lot for Grandpa. I'm gonna go feed him, okay? Watch this back gate if y'all can. Yeah, watch that back gate. I don't think anybody's back there because Connie was the one that was back there. Oh, I know. Yeah, he's got a trap at the battery. Good job. I'm gonna go check my locks. I like to cook. You know what? He's all right. We gotta watch that fuse box though, guys. I'm right here by. Oh, okay. I see you, hitchhiker. Good job. All right, my locks are still good on the 2 gates up front. I see one. One's in the house right here. Julie's on me. Julie's on me. She's over here. She's going towards the front gates. Front gates. She's in the main mid area right there. She's over by Grandpa. She's by Grandpa. I see her. I see her. You ain't going nowhere, bitch. She's going to the well. She's going to the well. It's all good. It's all good. Like I said, man, damn it. I'm so mad because it's like the first time I played all night that I didn't have well on, and I'm so mad at myself. All right, she's making noise. This one's making noise, though. All right, all right. Damn it. Okay, I lost her. I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna check my locks. I'm gonna check my locks. Alright, both my locks are still good. Fuse box is still locked. Hell yeah, hiker. I got some blood for him too. Let's go. She's right here. She's right here. Got her! Hell yeah! That big booty bitch got nothing on my broomstick, baby! That's gonna be a good rump roast. Get it, guys? That's funny. Alright, gonna feed him. And then let's go. Oh, he's already at 5. Damn! Oh, are you getting one of them? Let's go. Hey, hunt is over. That's what I'm talking about. Let's cook them up, baby. Nice work, guys. Cooking it up. That's my first good cook game. Thank you, guys. Then again, he's built for the gas station. GG's, GG's.